Welcome to Buildawebs. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a WordPress privacy policy page. You might ask what a privacy policy is. A privacy policy basically helps users understand what information is collected on the website and why. It also explains how the information is managed, updated, shared and deleted. Privacy policies in many countries are required by law, so I would advise adding one to your site. In the video I'm going to cover how you add one in WordPress, but also how you add one from an external website. So let's get into it. First of all, let's see how you can do it in WordPress. So make sure you're logged into WordPress by going to your site name /WP admin and log in. And then go down to settings on the side and go to privacy. And then click create here. Open up the page and you can have a look through, see what information's been put in, and you can change it to however you like. There's all sorts of information online as to the things that you should put in. When you're happy, click publish again, and the page is live on the site. Now let's add it into a widget area. So let's view the page. Let's copy this URL. Let's go back into WordPress and go to Appearance and then Widgets. Just close this down and go to Footer Widget Area 2. Click here. And let's change the link here. That's okay, that didn't need changing. So choose Update. And there it is, updated. So if we go and view it on the site, we go down to the footer at the bottom, we should be able to click on this page. It takes us to the privacy policy we've created. You can also go in and add it to another section by going back into Appearance and then Widgets and choosing where you want to add it in. And you can also go to Appearance and then Menus, and you can choose a menu that you might want to add it to. So for example, you might want to create a footer menu there, add it in, and then display it. Now let's have a look how you can create a privacy policy in a website called Termsfeed. So I've put a link to this website in the description of the video. Please feel free to go and check it out. So if you click Get Started once you're on this page, then you click Privacy Policy Generator here, choose Website, Next Step, and then take the URL of the website, paste it in here. Let's call this buildawebs.com. That's the website for this channel. Feel free to go and check it out. And then choose which one's appropriate. Just leave that as it is. And then you could enter a state, for example, put Alaska. Choose Next Step. And then you need to explain what kind of personal information do you collect. So let's say email address, first name and last name, and social media profile information. If you need to enter other information, choose others. Now click Next Step. Now it asks, how can users contact you for any questions regarding your privacy policy? I'm going to choose by email, and then let's put the email in. Copy the email, and then by visiting a page. So let's take the privacy policy page. So just go to Pages, All Pages. Let's view the page. And let's take this link. Go back over here. Choose Next Step. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to sign up to the upgraded version of this. Feel free, but because it's a free video, I'm going to choose No here and then Next Step, and then put in the email address you want this sending to, and then choose generate. The next thing to do is choose send me the confirmation link. So now if I go over to the email, there it is, choose activate. Put in a password. And now log in. Click on this option here. And then choose download. And now the first thing we're going to do is copy this here. So if we head back over to WordPress, we can edit the privacy policy page that we've already created. And then if we highlight all the information, go at the bottom, we can paste that in and choose update. And if we go back to the website, click on privacy policy, you can see it's got the updated information in with a lot more information. So you can see it's a lot more complex. If we go back over, you can also put a link to the privacy policy page. So as it says underneath there, you get free revisions and they host it for free. So if you wanted to display this, you could copy it, then you could head back over to WordPress. And if you go to the widget section, say for example we wanted to add it in as a new widget, you could do that, and we could display it at the bottom. Let's call it privacy policy. If we highlight that, let's put the link in that we copied, click on there, and then choose update. And when we go to the website, we go down to the bottom, see there's a privacy policy. When we click on it, it takes into here, which you can see it's the same information, but the great part of it is there's free revisions and updates, and it's hosted by Termsfeed. Go back here. We'll see that we've put a privacy policy page together on WordPress and what we've used from Termsfeed that we've then been able to add into the privacy policy page and put a link where it automatically updates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.